Hi, my name is Riya Somani. I am the actress of Riya the Unbelievable Girl, and thank you Creamy Bites for this chocolates.
हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू मेहुल शाह शो बातों ही बातों में. Today we have some different topic. Let's talk today on R&D, research and development training in engineering part. So for that, I have a very special guest of honor with me. Her name is Miss Chinar Shah, the founder of Swapnashala, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. So hi Miss Chinar, welcome to my show. Good
Thank
evening,
you.
ma'am.
Very good evening, Mehulji. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, so what is Swapnashala?
Swapnashala is the research foundation
Okay.
which primarily focuses on the conducting the research. We focus more on training the students
Hmm.
how to work on the specific unique projects of the industry
Okay.
and what kind of problem statements are there in the industry
Hmm.
and what can be the solution, how to come to the solution by the entire process of research.
Okay.
That's what we are training all the students there.
So, Ms. Chinar, like, what inspired you to start this like company like Swapna Shala? And like as per my team's research, like it's a NGO. I feel. So, how do you support the needy people like who are like really looking for a good projects and good like opportunities?
Yeah. So, as you rightly said, Swapnashala is the NGO. It's a Swapnashala Research Foundation. It's a Section 8 company. Uh, Here, the whole idea is training all the students on how to conduct the research. We work with a lot of companies in the industry.
Hmm.
We help them with the customized automation solutions and machinery automation with our research projects. And while working with all unique customers and the largest conglomerates of India and a lot of MNCs globally, we have seen that all the companies are looking for the talented, suitable skills and the right attitude while hiring the people. Right. So when we talk about the hiring the right talent, always a lot of companies would have the thousands and thousands of jobs open, but there are a lot of interviews happening and no selections are happening
Okay.
because everybody is looking for the right match and the talent for their own company, and that is lacking in the market. So our NGO focuses more on developing their talent and the right attitude, which helps them to get acquired in the industries, work on the good projects, and work with the very large industries and reputed companies globally.
So, Miss Chinar, what skill do you provide to the students to develop their skills and their technologies? Is there like particular skill you train them?
Yeah, so Mehul ji, while being in the industry for approximately 20 years, my observation is the technology is completely changing,
Okay.
right? In 2012, when we were working on the AI, we also faced the challenge of having the right talent who can work on the AI,
Hmm.
right? And right now, if you see, the market has adopted artificial intelligence so
Correct.
well that everybody is after AI,
Right.
right? And people and students and even the all professionals who are working in the industry for a long years are trying hard to acquire this new technology, right? So skill acquisition is definitely something which industry will always demand. In our NGO, we are more focused on forecasting the technologies because
Okay.
that's where the role of research comes
Hmm.
in. That you can identify the what are the going next trends in the couple of years, right? And right now it is more of a adaptive approach industry is having. but we would like to train people on the proactive approach where you can forecast that what would be the next trend, and you can acquire those skills today and can proficient them by the time market demands them and companies are open to hire them.
Ma'am, like as per my team research, we just saw that like you are into HR for like I guess around like couple of years. So from like HR to this NGO, what is the entire like story behind this? Like how did you change your mind and now you're just focusing on this Swapnashala?
So, Mehul, there is a long story, right? I started my career in HR with the recruitments,
Correct.
and I conducted more than 50,000 interviews so far in my life, right?
Okay.
And I had been conducting the campus interview drives pan India,
Okay.
and was hiring for my own company. Who is more focused on the IT software
Yes.
services,
Correct.
or working on the different technologies.
Hmm.
So all the times we had the same challenge, the challenge which all other industries are also facing, where we are offering the solutions.
Hmm.
That right talent is
Missing.
missing,
Correct.
right? And people do not, in the industry, people do not have time to train anybody,
Correct.
right? So this is our training institute, where before going to the market, you can get yourself 100% ready, and you can vouch for those skills which
Hmm.
the industry is looking for, because we are working directly with the industry. So Swapnashala is the bridge between industry and academia.
Okay.
We also work with the colleges and universities in designing their courses, in conducting the workshops, seminars, and getting the students trained there. Even we conduct the train the trainers programs also for the colleges, where we train all the faculties, and we work with their faculty development programs too, right? But again, the same problem, right?
Hmm.
So Swapnashala will offer the platform to everybody
Okay.
to get themselves at par with the industry standards,
Hmm.
because we know what is there served in the academia and what is demanded in the industry.
Okay.
And that's how we have come up with that bridge, and we train the students to acquire those skills which helps them to cross the entire path from starting from being graduate or post graduation to getting themselves acquired in the industry.
So, ma'am, like is there like particular special courses you offer, and are the courses being certified, and like can it be used for the further jobs or like for further placements?
Definitely, Mehulji. So we provide the trainings on the artificial intelligence, computer vision, AI, ML, embedded engineering, robotics. We have the designed courses for a lot of technologies which are very much high demand in the market.
Hmm.
We offer these certified courses to the all the students,
Hmm.
and these certifications help them to get absorbed in the industries very easily. uh, to share few of the examples, the people or students who are very keen to travel to abroad. So a lot of students who are planning or preparing themselves for the master degrees in the USA, UK, Canada, or Germany, or anywhere in the globe, and looking for the higher courses, get themselves trained at Swapnashala. And our certificates help them a lot, because our trainers come from the research background. They have years and years, more than 15-20 years experience in the industries, working on the engineering embedded solutions, providing the solutions to the larger organizations, and they know that what is demanded there in the market, and accordingly the courses are designed. So definitely these certificates help them, and a lot of students who have completed the certificate courses from Swapnashala in the past are right now working with the Intel, IBM, Microsoft,
Oh wow,
Google,
great,
and those kind of companies in global market.
great, ma'am, great. So this
So, especially,
yeah,
I would like to just reinforce that the people who are looking for the master's degree or post graduation PhDs from the outside India countries and universities, Swapnashala is the best platform for you to get yourself equipped. And monetary perspective, also this is going to be the best deal because you are investing in the INR and you are getting benefited in the dollars or euros. So this conversation also will help you to save a lot of money and earn too.
So, Mrs. Shah, in Swapnashala, till date, like how many students have been trained, and like what is the placement ratio in Ahmedabad? Just take normal location,
So,
Ahmedabad.
Mehul ji, we have trained more than 35,000 students
In how
so
many
far
years?
across 15 years.
Oh, okay.
And this 35,000 students, I don't think so that anybody has not received the job. Swapnashala and our other group of companies are also first to offer them the jobs. A lot of people are already absorbed by us for
Hmm.
working for our own clients, and our client companies are also hiring. So if you say that these people are trained by Swapnashala
Hmm.
on basis of the projects and technologies our clients are working on, and few of the students have also got opportunity to work on the live projects of Swapnashala which are getting executed here.
Okay.
So if client knows कि, okay, this person has worked on my project only through Swapnashala, they would be happy to have them on
Correct.
board in their own company because they are already carrying that knowledge and skills about their own machines, their own solutions. So why not to have them there? And they are industry ready for the companies too. So they are happily hiring everybody, and it's 100% placement, I would say,
Great,
so
ma'am.
far
Great,
for
great.
our all the students.
How can we join Swapnashala and like make a like, career into R&D?
Yeah. So
What the process?
yeah, process is very simple, Mehulji. Anybody who is aspiring for the career in the research or hardcore technology, hardware software integration, computer vision, AI, ML, embedded, robotics, those kind of people or students can get in touch with Swapnashala.
Okay.
We'll be providing the details in your description box, and you can get in touch with us along with your resume. Students who are in the standard 7th or beyond that can definitely be a part of our robotics and other technology programs because we have the special courses designed for the school students as well, and we provide the education on the stream technologies, which is science, technology, robotics, engineering, and everything, right? So it is open for school students as well, and if anybody is pursuing the graduation, they can come for the free internship programs also we are running for BE and ME students. So as a part of their academic trainings, and they get around 1.5 year to get themselves trained in the industry. So those kind of internships also are offered at Swapnashala. They can always apply here. We would be happy to have good students, and
Okay.
will be happy to train them and help them to achieve their goals in the life.
So, Ms. Chinab, thanks for your time. Thanks for your valuable time. And any last message to our upcoming talents?
Definitely, Mehulji. It's a pleasure to be a part of this show, Bato Bato Mein,
Thank you,
and
ma'am.
it's been pleasure connecting with you.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much for giving this opportunity to us.
Yeah.
From the Swapnashala team, I would like to inspire all the students to develop their mindset, conduct the research, and master the skills, right? Knowledge and skills is the power. And don't go for the certification, don't focus only the certification or stipend or what you are getting, but focus on the knowledge and technology which will add the value on your resume, right? Three Idiots सबने देखी होगी, the way Amir Khan is saying कि don't run for this and excellence will follow you, right? So it's the same thing. Get yourself ready for everything, and success, money, and excellence will definitely follow you. All the very best to all of you, and please get in touch with Swapnashala to know more about us and be a part of this mission.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks for your time. So, guys, this was Miss Chinar, the founder of Swapnashala. So, you can connect with her on the given credential. And finally, this is Mehul Shah signing off for today. Mumbai, I'm coming back. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.